completion. Irina the Iguana's value is completion. Special name power, independence of invisibility. Famous saying, if you don't like it, picture in your mind where you want to be. Task, you're never stuck. You can always move in life. Values, completion. I'm done. Why is it that we feel powerless to change a situation? As kids, like me, for some reason, we think that we never change anything. The minute we change, our world evolves. It looks brighter and invites more possibilities. Like maybe all mosquitoes going extinct. Sulking is just such a waste of time. It's heavy for those who sulk with us. Our face drops. We run out of energy. I'm getting tired. I know that it's possible to never sulk again. Will you try in that competition? I will too. You know, your person inside you has all the power to change you into a better form of you. You know, our thoughts are not hard out loud. You know, we chose our expressions and our words, blah, blah, blah. What a beautiful power to have. You could imagine the most beautiful sceneries with your imagination. Ooh, I dream of a rainbow, and the rainbow is made out of candy floss. You can do stop motion, you could do iMovies, or even Lego scenes. If you like to draw, animate, do sports, or even think and read, all is possible. If you like to draw, animate, read, sit in the corner and do nothing, stare, play board games, even do sports, all is possible. Even the impossible is possible. But it all starts in this, the imagination. Once your imagination is working well and your behaviors and moods are good, everything falls into place. Try it. Write your ideas in the comment section below.